Hello students, today I am taking lecture on agriculture accounting, particularly for BCom third year 5th semester students who are learning from Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded. I am Dr. V.D. Jadhav, Assistant Professor, PG Faculty of Commerce and Management, Nanded, People's College, Nanded. Today I am taking two questions on agriculture accounting. Firstly, I am taking question on agriculture accounting. This question has asked in the examination October-November 2016. This is the second question on agriculture accounting. That is, I am taking. That's why I have given number second. The question is from the following information given below. Prepare a crop account to ascertain the gross margin made by this division of farm. I am taking question and answer on a one page, hence you will better understand. That's why some part of this question I am taking on a next line. Okay. Now you can understand better way. Question particular rupees. First item, opening stock. Under the heading of opening stock, grain, amount rupees 3000. Next, seeds and fertilizers, amount rupees 2000. Next, main item, purchases. Under the heading of purchases, seeds. amount rupees 500. Fertilizers, amount rupees 1500. Next, sale of grain. Grain means dhanya for Marathi medium students. Sale of grain amount rupees 15,000. Next, grain distributed as wages amount rupees 2,000. The next, wages paid in cash amount rupees 3,000. Next, grain distributed as grain consumed by the proprietor. Proprietor is the owner of the business. Grain consumed by proprietor amount rupees 2,000. Next, grain consumed by livestock section amounted rupees 1,500. Next item, repairs and maintenance of farm machinery amount rupees 1,200. Next, depreciation on machinery amount rupees 300. Next, crop insurance amount rupees 500. The next, closing stock under the heading of closing stock, grain amount rupees 6,000, seeds and fertilizers amount rupees 3,000. Students, this is the question. Starting with particular. In that particular opening stock, under this opening stock, two items, grain and seeds. Next, purchases, under the purchases, seeds, fertilizers, two items. Next, sale of grain, grain distributed as wages, grain distributed as wages, recorded both sides, debit side as well as credit side. Because of this is the property or main source of the farmer, that is also reduced by given by wages. The next, wages paid in cash, grain consumed by proprietor. Proprietor consumption means drawing, hence it should be considered as drawing item. Grain consumed by livestock section, hence credit side recorded should be by livestock account. repairs and maintenance. It is just like similar as final account of the profit and loss account. Debit side shows. Depreciation also shows recorded to the debit side of the crop account. Crop insurance should be recorded to the debit side, and closing stock always recorded to the credit side. And last item, this is the last item. Hence, now I am taking on solution of this answer of this question. Solution. Crop account. Debit side. Particular rupees. Particular rupees. Credit side. First item of the question, opening stock. Opening stock starting with debit side. It is just like similar as final account of the sole trader. Opening stock starting with debit side. Opening stock under the heading of opening stock, grain and seeds fertilizer. It should be recorded to the debit side of the crop account. Opening stock. 2. Opening stock. Debit side start with 2. Opening stock under the heading of opening stock, grain 3000, seeds and fertilizers rupees 2000. The next item is purchases. Purchases should be recorded to the debit side of the crop account under the heading after opening stock. Debit side recorded with 2. Purchases under the heading of purchases, seeds rupees 500, fertilizers rupees 1500. The next item is sale of grain. Sale of grain recorded to the credit side of the crop account. We know very well sale is recorded to the credit side by sale of grain rupees 15,000. The next item, grain distributed as wages. Grain distributed recorded to the credit side, and grain distributed as wages, hence recorded debit side. It means it should be recorded to the debit side as well as credit side. That is contra entry. Debit side starts with 2, credit side starts with by. The next item, wages paid in cash rupees 3000. Wages should be recorded to the debit side. Cash is paid, hence should be recorded to the debit side. 2 wages paid in cash 3000. The next item, grain consumed by proprietor amounted rupees 2000. Grain consumed by proprietor on the time of proprietor name to be taken drawing account. By drawing account, amount rupees 2000. We can mention in bracket grain consumed. This is recorded for your better understanding purpose. The next, grain consumed by livestock section. Consumption should be recorded to the credit side, livestock section, hence livestock account. Amount rupees 1500. The next item, repairs and maintenance of machinery. Repairs and maintenance should be recorded to the debit side, starting with 2. The next item, depreciation on machinery. Depreciation should be recorded to the debit side. Depreciation always recorded to debit side. Debit side starting with 2. The next, crop insurance. Crop insurance should be recorded to the debit side. Crop insurance amount of rupees 500. Crop insurance starting with 2. This is general rule, that is always you have learning. Already you have learned this. The next, closing stock. Under the heading of closing stock, grain rupees 6,000, seeds and fertilizers rupees 3,000 should be recorded to the credit side of the crop account, starting with buy closing stock. Then make total of credit side. Total of this 29,500. Then make total of debit side 14,000. Debit side total is 14,000. It means credit side is more than debit side. Means in that account, credit balance means profit to profit and loss account. The difference amount 29,000 minus 14,000. The difference amount rupees 15,500. Both sides are equivalent. Tallied. Profit transfer to profit and loss account. This is the profit. Okay. I hope you have understood this very well. If you have any difficulty, you can contact with me. I have already given my mail. Opening stock 2 items, purchases 2 items, then grain distributed as wages, wages paid in cash, grain distributed as wages 2,000 recorded should be debit side as well as credit side, because of this is the contra entry. The rest is okay. I hope you have understood very well. The next I am taking third question. Question number third. Overall, this is the question number third. But today I am taking this is the second question. This question has asked in the examination March April 2017 examination. The question is from the following information, prepare from the following information, prepare a crop account. Particular rupees. First item, opening stock. Under the heading of opening stock, wheat, seeds, fertilizers. Wheat amount rupees 10,000, seeds amount at rupees 2,000, fertilizers amount rupees 3,000. The next heading, purchases. Under the heading of purchases, seeds, fertilizers, seeds amount rupees 1,200, fertilizers amount rupees 1,800. The next heading, wages. Under the heading of wages, paid in cash, amounted rupees 6,800. Next, paid in kind of, kind by giving wheat. Wheat means gehu, 9,200. Next, sale of wheat, amount rupees 70,800. Next, wheat consumed by proprietor, amounted rupees 3,200. Next, depreciation on farm machinery. amounted rupees 4,000. Next heading, closing stock. Under the heading of closing stock, wheat, seeds, fertilizers, wheat amount rupees 8,000, seeds amount rupees 1,400, fertilizers amount rupees 1,600. This is the question. Opening stock, purchases, wages, sale, wheat consumed by proprietor, depreciation, and closing stock. These are the main items of this. Next, I am taking solution. Debit, particular, rupees, credit side, particular, rupees. First item, opening stock. Under the opening stock, under this heading, three items: wheat amounted rupees 10,000, seeds amounted rupees 2,000, fertilizers amounted rupees 3,000. Opening stock should be recorded to the debit side, starting with the next item, purchases. Under the heading of purchases, two items. These are seeds and fertilizers. Seeds amounted rupees 1,200, fertilizers amount rupees 1,800. The next item, wages. Wages, under the heading of wages, two items: wages paid in cash and wages paid in kind by giving wheat. Both items are recorded to the debit side, but paid in kind by giving wheat also should be recorded to the credit side by wages paid in kind of wheat amount rupees 9,200. The next item, sale. Sale always recorded to the top side of the credit side. Hence, I have eliminated these three lines. Sale of wheat amount rupees 70,800. Starting with this item, buy should be necessary. The next, wheat consumed by proprietor. Wheat consumed by proprietor means proprietor consumption should be recorded as a drawing. By drawing account rupees 3,200, you can use word wheat consumption. The next item, depreciation on farm machinery. Depreciation should be recorded to the debit side. Depreciation amount rupees 4,000. Depreciation on farm machinery. The next, closing stock. Under the heading of closing stock, three items. Under the heading of closing stock should be recorded to the credit side. Last item, under the heading of closing stock, wheat 8,000, seeds 1,400, fertilizers 1,600. Then make total of the credit side, that is 94,200, and debit side total, create total, that is 38,000. 94,000 minus, sorry, 94,200 minus 38,000. The balance is 56,200. That is profit. These both sides are automatically tallied, 94,200, 94,200. The difference means the profit and loss account. Profit transfer will be recorded in a bracket. I hope you have this question also understood. This is the final solution. Opening stock debit side, purchases debit side, wages debit side, depreciation debit side, sale credit side, drawing credit side. Drawing means the consumption of proprietor. Wages paid in kind by wheat. This item, wages paid in kind of wheat, 9,400 debit side, 9,200 credit side. Then closing stock should be recorded to the credit side, last item. Okay. Thank you. I think it is sufficient for this lecture. Further, I will take once again. Okay, thank you.